Affiliate marketing made easy. Get started now. Anyone who allows themselves time to learn the ropes and has the focus to apply their lessons can find good money in affiliate marketing. It will be necessary to gain as much knowledge as you can if you are to reach your affiliate marketing profit goals. The video below provides some solid information to get you started on your way. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the #1 rule for affiliate marketing. When using affiliate marketing on your site, always inform your readers of your affiliations. Be upfront about your relationship with the vendor. Failure to disclose that you receive some degree of revenue from the advertisements can often make many customers feel as though you are trying to be dishonest or promote the vendor simply to make a quick buck. An affiliate website's success depends on the site's ability of attracting visitors. It is important to encourage visitors to stay on the site and convince prospective customers to visit the retailer's site. It is a good practice to reward returning customers or the ones making larger purchases in the form of a sample product or gift. A great affiliate marketing tip is to simply ask for more money from the company you're doing business with. If you've proven yourself to be reliable and you generate steady income, most companies will agree to give you a higher commission. This is an easy way to make more money. You should track every affiliate click back to where it came from. This way you will know exactly where you are getting hits from. This information is helpful in deciding where your income is coming from so you can be sure to continue with what is working and cut out what isn't. To be successful at affiliate marketing, match your product to your website. It is important to know who is actually visiting your website. Once you have figured out the demographics of who visits your site, you can then figure out what they want to buy. Find affiliate programs who carry products that your target audience wants. If you take the time to plan your next move and keep these tips in mind, you are going to see the positive outcome that you were hoping for when you decided to get involved. So make an action plan, including these tips, and get to work. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.